Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a butterscotch sauce. This sauce we're gonna use for a lot of desserts. So you can choose this one for the pancake, you can use for the cakes, or you can use for the specially sticky date pudding. So it's up to you guys whatever you want to use it. First of all, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients. So let's get started with that. So 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 150 gram of brown sugar and 50 gram of butter, 150 milliliter of thickened cream. I'm gonna melt the butter in the pan up there, and then I'm gonna add brown sugar, and then I'm gonna put the cream and the vanilla. So let's see how I'm gonna do the butterscotch sauce. So I'm gonna use the heated pot now. So first of all, I'm gonna add the butter. So let it melt for a while, but make sure you won't burn the butter, otherwise it's gonna give you a yucky flavor. So then you're gonna add the brown sugar. You're gonna mix that one. So once it's come to this stage, so butter is melted and the brown sugar dissolving now, so then you're gonna add the thickened cream. So you mix the brown sugar, cream and the butter together. So you make sure you mix it well. See the color changes, the dark brown creamy sauce. So you see the different color. So look like a caramel sauce. And then you're gonna add your vanilla essence here. So you make sure you boil them first. Once it comes to the boil stage, you're gonna get out from the pot and you're gonna serve it. Make sure you stir up always, otherwise stick to the pot. So you make sure you won't let it boil. There is a possibility to the boil because of the cream, so you make sure you mix it all the time. Look, let's see the thickness here. So it's dripping from that spoon. Oh, that's the real thickness I want. Look at the golden color. That's how it's supposed to be. It's ready to serve now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out from the pot and I'm gonna serve it. I got a nice piece of cake. So I'm gonna drip this sauce onto my cake and see how it goes. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's the perfect texture. So the amount I use, it's gonna enough for the 5 serves. So you can serve with any desserts. As I said, it's one of main important sauce, it's butterscotch sauce. So I'm gonna taste now and see how it tastes like. So I grab some sauce with that. Wow, it's so rich. It's really nice. The brown sugar and the butter and the cream flavor, it's totally inside it, so it's really yummy. It's really nice sauce. I hope you guys love this one. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching me cooking with the Brown Chef. I hope you enjoy this video and it's gonna be helpful for you to butterscotch sauce at your home. So please do subscribe me, follow me cooking with the Brown Chef, and I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye.